शुभ संध्या. माझे नाम युगल आहे. आज एक खास दिवस आहे कारण मी एक रहस्य सांगेन. So hello everyone, as you know I spoke our language which is a western language. If you don't know what I spoke, I will tell you. So good evening friends. Today my name is Yugal Nigam. Today is a special day. I am going to tell you a secret. So let's start. As you all know, I am going to talk about Bharat Ratna Awards. Bharat Ratna Awards is the biggest award in the whole India. Like a Sachin Tendulkar, Indira Gandhi, etc. people got it. So today I am going to talk about our legend. Who is the legend? Comment down. Firstly, comment down and then I will say. So the legend is Sachin Tendulkar ji. Sachin Tendulkar ji won the Bharat Ratna Award in 2014 because of his hard work in cricket. I know you all are the cricket fans. Because of the cricket, he won the Bharat Ratna Award, and also he gave us a World Cup and also many things to the cricket. He made too much of centuries and also many things he made and records he made in the cricket history. So now I am going to talk about Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna is a type of award which the 53 people won this award and awarded by our president. Currently our president is Draupadi Murmu, and in the 2014 there was someone who gave the Bharat Ratna awards to Sachin Tendulkar. So what are the advantages of Bharat Ratna? First, the advantages of Bharat Ratna are I am going in a state. I am from Delhi. I am going to the Mumbai, Maharashtra, and the people like the CM would invite me and make me a chief guest of the state. Like I am going there, so I am the state guest of the. If I want in the future, who knows, I would win a Bharat Ratna award, and then I would go to the Maharashtra, and in the Maharashtra, I would be the state guest of Bharat Ratna. So my second point is the special lounge in the airport. Like you have seen, there is too much of in the airport. There is too much of waiting areas where the people wait for their planes, for their airplanes. And if I would won the Bharat Ratna and go to the international travel, and national travel, so I would get a VIP lounge. Like I am sitting here, so like someone would come to me and told me that sit there is your seat, and I would sit here because these are the VIP lounge of the airport for the VIP people like Bharat Ratna, etc. VIP people. Like my Anup is also a VIP person, and I am also, who knows, I would win a Bharat Ratna. And my third point is airport, related to the airport. Airlines. As you all know, the airlines in the airport, there is a first class, business class, and this type of things. In the future, if I would win a Bharat Ratna award and go to an airline, so the airlines would prefer me to go in the first class because it is free to me, and I could go in the first class airplane, first class type. So they would not take any kind of money from me. So coming to the Sachin Tendulkar, like I told these all of the points. So it also joined to the Sachin Tendulkar ji, and also many people like Indira Gandhi, etc. It also related to the Sachin Tendulkar. When Sachin Tendulkar went for his match, because he is now retired, but when he went to somewhere in the IPL time, he was in the Mumbai team. He went to a place like in Chennai. He went to Chennai to defeat or fight with the Chennai team, Chennai. So the airlines would give him free free things, like he won the Bharat Ratna in 2014. So they would give him a free airline, free tip of Chennai for free, and it would allow, even he is retired now, but the Bharat Ratna people who gave him, they gave him free trips, these things that I told, in free. So if the Sachin Tendulkar going somewhere, he wants some food, so the Bharat Ratna people who gave him, the employees of them would give the food of him, take care of him, they give bodyguards to him, and etc. things they would give to the Sachin Tendulkar. Because of Sachin Tendulkar, we know the Mumbai Indians. I don't know now, yet he is the coach of the Mumbai Indians, but he was one of coach of Mumbai Indians, and because of him, the Mumbai Indians won five IPL trophy and many more things, and also a World Cup, many more things we won from the Sachin Tendulkar. Because of Bharat Ratna, we are seeing them on the next level. The people which won the Bharat Ratna are on the next level, like Sachin Tendulkar. We respect him. Like I'm saying him a legend. He is a legend type of person. So, in my whole presentation, I want to share you that if you want to earn a Bharat Ratna award, so you need to work hard. You need to do hard work, and also why we get the Bharat Ratna, and what type of the, you can say, policies, why the president give it to us. So there are the main things like art of your, like Sachin Tendulkar play cricket very good, it's a art, and also a painting art. There are two types of art, and also the languages, sounds, and many other things. If you are mastered in it, so you would be awarded with the Bharat Ratna. So if you like this presentation, like, share and comment. Thank you for listening.